People often ask me what is the difference between a tattoo and the permanent makeup that you do. Well, there are a lot of differences, so let's discuss that. The primary difference is in the depth of placement of the tattoo and the permanent makeup color or ink or pigment. So in tattoo, the placement is deeper. So if you understand the layers of the skin, the upper part is the epidermis, and then there is a thicker dermis layer. The dermis is again divided into upper dermis, mid dermis, and lower dermis. In tattoos, the pigment or color is deposited in mid dermis to lower dermis, whereas in permanent makeup, the ink or pigment is deposited into the upper dermis and mid dermis. It is more superficial in PMU, and hence there is less of color change. Next is the placement of the tattoo ink. Where does the tattoo ink go and stay? Tattoo ink stays within the cells because it's a liquid ink which is used and it's completely water soluble. Whereas in permanent makeup, the ink often stays in between the cells because the pigment contains particulate matter which is suspended in liquid or gel. That is the reason also it lasts for a shorter time compared to tattoo, because it is not inside the cells but in between the cells. The technique is one of the most important differences. In a tattoo, the needle moves, of course, vertically up and down through the skin to pierce the skin and reach the lower layers, but it also moves horizontally in the entire plane, creating a uniformly dense pigmentation and hence giving a flat look. Whereas in PMU, the needle moves only vertically, leaving space between the microdots created, giving a natural shaded look, which is there in powder brows. It looks more like the pigment is sprayed on the skin rather than painted into the skin. You take a brush, you dip it in some watercolor, and you just paint the sky with it on paper, versus you take a toothbrush and you spray the paint on paper. So that is the kind of difference in the overall look that is achieved between the tattoo and PMU. Next is the longevity. The tattoo, of course, lasts longer, and touch-ups may be required as long as after 8 to 10 years, or sometimes it even lasts a lifetime. Whereas in PMU, it lasts for 12 to 18 months, and initially the first touch-up is required at 6 to 10 weeks, and then yearly touch-ups are required. The reason for this is that the pigment is more superficial. So the loss of pigment through the surface of the skin is much higher when you wash the face, when it comes in contact with air and sunlight, etc. So pigment is lost through the skin. Also, here the pigment is there more between the cells, so it's going to come out faster compared to the tattoo ink. The color of the tattoo does not look as natural as that of PMU. One of the main reasons for it is the depth of placement once again, as there are several translucent layers of skin above the pigment. So even if you are using, say, black or dark brown or brown pigment, it ends up looking grayish if it is a tattoo ink done with the tattooing technique. Whereas with PMU, if you use the correct color combination, very natural looking shades of brown can be achieved because the pigment is more superficial. So that's about the difference between tattoos and permanent makeup while doing the eyebrows.